birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Naragsak ako ng kasangay, Uncle.
Sa pala kumatay kan nakatinggan disyon ti Diyos nga umatidyog pa'y itibiyag mo. We miss all of you and Merry Christmas!
Happy birthday, Uncle Orling. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Uncle Orling!
Bye!
Sandali, ilang taon?
90th
Happy 90th birthday! God bless you po! At si Jesus, yung abundant life na promise niya, maranasan ninyo. Amen!
Amen!
Happy
birthday! Happy birthday, Lolo Orling! Lolo Orling! Happy birthday, Lolo Orling! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lolo Orling! Happy birthday, Lolo Orling! Love you! Heart, heart! Heart, heart! Yan. Happy birthday, Uncle!
May Uncle, happy birthday po sa inyo!
Happy birthday, Uncle Ling. Happy 90th birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Hello, Sean. Nabagarabiim. Balagip ko, birthday mo gayang tata. So, in saganak dito, ngay pawit ko makul ka, pagipawitak. Napalit ako Tinay daw dawat ko kwa. Agpaot pa si biyag tangadwa. Tapno kwa. Adra takatungtungtong ko no. Dalon data isisiyak nga kwa. May masak Jerome. O, kumusta ka? I hope you are always, you're well. Always healthy. And keep it that way. Ang kaunay nga, murmuryot to ka, madi. You keep yourself busy. Lalo to panunot mo. No, hamuunay ko ti kwa. Hamuunay gagarain ti ag Facebook. When nagte-text ako makaulaw. Ken kwa gayam, kumusta ka kano ko na niya Kumustahan na ka? Happy birthday ka no. So, happy birthday, insan. Sapay kumanta ko medyo malayong pa tibiyag tangad ba? Okay.
Hi, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy! I love you!
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Next year.
Yeah, see you next year now. Probably not. We wish we were there. Happy birthday po. We've got another one coming. So
Very soon.
Very soon. Like, we wish we were there. Everybody enjoy the party. Yeah, sorry we couldn't be there, but happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Bye.
Happy 90th birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. We hope you are having fun and always surrounded by your family, always surrounded by love. We wish we were there. Hopefully, makabisita kami soon with this kulit boy. Again, happy birthday. I hope you have praying for good health and happiness in your life. So, again, happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, Daddy Lo. I hope you have a great birthday and great celebrations and have so much fun with the family. I love you. Bye.
Happy 90th birthday, Daddy Lo. We really wish we were there with you to celebrate, but this is the best we can do. And we all love you so much and never forget that. We'll see you
Happy
soon.
birthday to a father-in-law who never treated me like a guest but family. Thank you for making me feel like I truly belong into the family. Thank you for raising the woman and the love of my life. And thank you for being a wonderful grandfather to our children. Kararag ko kini Apo, tas apel ako mga ikan na kayupay iti nasalunat, ken karadkad, iti agnanayon tapno, agkikita tayo tumanen, into no, sumaruno nga panagawid, mi katodik iti ubing. Happy 90th birthday po.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Wishing you more birthdays to come and see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday,